Hey guys, it's Matthew here with cool stuff. I got my sister again.
Heyo!
Another year has passed and it's been Christmas, and so we got some stuff. So right now we've got her iPhone 11. iPhone 11, we got the white version. So it's the 256 gigabyte version as well. So we're going to give the phone to her so she can go ahead and unwrap it and unbox it. Okay, so we've got the white iPhone 11 here, the 256 gigabyte. So let's go ahead and unwrap the iPhone. Go ahead, Sophie.
That's why I had it that way.
Do iPhones. Throw that wrapper, and the first thing we're greeted with is the iPhone itself. So let's take that out and put it to the side.
Oh, God.
Put it aside, and then let's see what else we've got in the box. We got some paperwork with some stickers and stuff. We don't need that. We have a 5-watt charger. Sad that they didn't add at least a 18-watt charger, but I think they do that with the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max. And then you got some earbuds and USB-A to Lightning charger. Sadly, there is no dongle, so you'll have to buy that yourself. And then there's nothing else, and it looks kind of weird. So yeah, and so we'll put that to the side, and then we will go ahead and take the wrapper off the phone itself. So let's give it a moment of silence while we hear this awesome ASMR. You ready for this?
Oh, it stuck to me.
Was there not a back piece?
No. That's not satisfying. There's no back piece.
Well, there apparently is no back piece, but anyways. So this iPhone it is a 6.5 inch screen, I believe. Maybe 6.3 inch screen. It is a Gorilla Glass 6 on the front and back. It has 2 dual cameras. And it's a ultra wide lens and a telephoto lens. And there is no headphone jack, so you gotta leave that dongle life or that wireless earbud life, which we do have some wireless earbuds, some Airpods Pros, and then you also have the Lightning earbuds as well. So yeah, that is the unboxing of the iPhone 11. Hey guys, it's Matthew here with cool stuff again. I've got the Airpods Pro right here from Apple. My sister got a pair and I got a pair, but I already opened mine, so here's my sister's pair. We're going to go ahead and unbox this now. So Apple gives you a little tab here to pull. It's not the best tab in the world, but it's not the worst from what I've seen. So go ahead and undo this. And then on the back we've got the AirPod Pros. And then you can go ahead and and you're greeted with some paperwork, probably some Apple stickers, who knows. I got some booklet that tells you kind of quick start and all this other stuff. There's no Apple stickers, that's cool. So we'll just kind of toss that over to the side. And then we have the AirPod Pros right here. So let's go ahead and take them out of the case, and we'll put that to the side. And then you have here, and you take the top piece off, and then you're greeted with the USB Type-C to Lightning cable, because these still charge via Lightning cable, even though it's 2020 and they don't charge with USB Type-C yet. And then you've got a number of different ear tips for your size. I know if you're using an iPhone, there's a ear fit test on the iPhone, on the AirPods like Bluetooth thing that you can go through to kind of help you figure out what size ear tips are best for your fit and for your ears to give you that better seal for it, the better quality music. So you've got that as well, and then that's the end of this box. And then we've got the AirPods Pros right here. So let's go ahead and take this wrapper off. Kind of like a diaper. You undo it and it comes all out. Anyways, so here you have the AirPods Pros. Kind of open them up. They'll go ahead, and if you have an iPhone, they'll go ahead and try to pair to your iPhone. If you don't have an iPhone, you can open them up and put them onto your like just the Bluetooth. Pair them like a normal Bluetooth device for Android phones. And you also have this button here for pairing as well. This case does charge via either lightning cable right here, or you can use wireless charging just like your phone. You just place it on the charging mat and it'll charge wirelessly as well, just like the AirPods wireless second generation. So yeah, that is the AirPods Pros. These should be better sound quality and a better fit than the AirPods originally. Until then, I'll go ahead, I'll try my pair out for a few weeks, kind of compare the two, the regulars and the Pros, and then I will kind of I'll do a video and I'll tell you guys how I feel like these compare to the regular ones. But already you can look at the case, and the case is a bit wider because they do stick out a little bit more, at least when it comes to instead of being kind of flush like the regular ones. But the case kind of just looks like you took an AirPods case and just flipped it around. So yeah, but that is the AirPods Pro true wireless earphones unboxing. Thanks for watching. If you liked my video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I do post this video for the review, along with other videos as well. And until then, peace.